To get started making IRS fire files for this tax year, click the New button and choose the IRS reconciliation that you want to begin working with. Now, in the format type, choose Interest. 1099 INT is the IRS form. This will search your 1099 batch for payments to people that were flagged to receive an interest 1099. Write a descriptive note to yourself. And then make a note of the person in your company who is responsible for this 1099 fire file. You will see that Darwin has created a fire file batch that is labeled of the type interest. Now in the list, you'll see everyone in the 1099 batch that has been flagged to receive a 1099, and the 1099 type is of the type interest. This will be your last chance to deselect someone who you may have changed your mind and now do not want them to be reported to the IRS. If everyone here is supposed to be reported in the fire file, then make no changes. To actually create the fire file, click the Generate button. When the Generate button is clicked, this important disclaimer comes up. It emphasizes that you should pay close attention to the numbers that will be delivered to the IRS, and it reiterates that AccountTECH is a delivery service for you, and you are the only one responsible for the numbers that are delivered to the IRS. You click that you accept, you sign your signature with your pen or your mouse as best you can, and you click OK. Once your file is created, AccountTECH will upload your file to the IRS for you. If you would like to have a copy of what AccountTECH is delivering to the IRS, click the Copy button and open up Notepad from your computer and paste it in and save the text file on your local computer with any name that you want it to have. Now, you can also deliver this file to yourself by email by clicking the Send button and typing in the address that you want to send the file to. We do not recommend that you use this approach. Some clients prefer to deliver files to themselves this way, but we think it is more secure to click the Copy button and paste it into a text editor on your local computer. If you want to print a report for your records of what was included in the fire file to the IRS and how much was reported for each recipient, click the Print button up top here, then print out this report and save it with the 1099 copies from this year. Now, you might have some people that you do business with where their 1099 type is rent or other. On their profile in Darwin, you will see rent or other set up as their 1099 type. Suppliers of the type rent and other get reported to the IRS on Form 1099 MISC. So we're going to create a new batch now where we set the format type as 1099 MISC. Notice that we now have two IRS fire files for this company, one of the type MISC and one of the type interest. With the 1099 MISC, you'll generate a fire file using the Generate button and follow all the same steps that you did for 1099 interest. To wrap up, we'll do the third and final fire file for this company by clicking New and making a 1099 of the type 1099 NEC. That will take care of our agents and everybody else. So to wrap up, you'll have up to 3 IRS files per company. One for 1099 NEC, one for 1099 MISC if you had rent and other, and one for 1099 interest if you paid taxable interest to anyone throughout the year. Remember the fundamentals here. Deselect with these checkboxes any one that you decide should not be reported to the IRS. Save your changes, click the Generate button, and sign the disclaimer to actually make the IRS fire file. Once the fire file is generated, make a copy for yourself and print a report for your records. That's it. Once you are done generating the files for each of your companies, let the team at AccountTECH know, and the staff people at AccountTECH will grab your IRS files and upload them to the IRS for you. And that's it.